bought another Yamaha Timberwolf. And it don't run. Let's fix that. Let's make sure it has spark. It's got good spark. Don't need these. That thing is clean. That's all clean. Cleaned carb, going back on. I think we're gonna have to pull start it. Petcock don't work. Thankfully, I've got an extra one. New fuel hose. New spark plug. How about now? What? What is this? Let's see if she rips. The starter's bad. Don't need that. Even though I had somebody lined up to come pick it up, I figured I'd go the extra mile and shine up the plastics. 'Cause hey, why not? Old girl's looking pretty. She's all cleaned up and ready to go to her new home.